Hey, it's your girl Stay Safe, back with another. Oh, wrong channel, y'all. If you know that intro,
we friends for real.
We locked in. Different channel, different vibe, y'all. So this is my first official big solo date. Just me. Nobody I know.
Being so for real, I wanted to throw up. Like, I did not want to go. But I already paid these tickets, and I don't know why I thought I could be, why I could do this. But here I am, overcoming the disease called introvert.
Going to a soccer game. I got sent an email with my school that they was doing something with alumni. So here I am. I bought a ticket. I asked some people if they want to come. Well, one person. Crickets. Which makes sense. We haven't spoken in like years. So it's like,
We not friends no more.
you know? Adulting, finding new friends as an adult means going places by yourself. So yeah. Wish me luck. Let's go.
Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way.
Okay, so we made it, as you can see. Now it's time to do this alone. I'm so scared.
A few moments later.
Alright, update. I went in there and there's a let me see your bag. I'm thinking they finna come and open my bag. Tell me why they put this tiny card next to my bag so your bag's too big. This is my bag. So now I have to get the bag dropped off. So I am waiting out here in the heat. Oh, car's here. Let me run over here real quick. Drop off my... I'm finna cross the street, y'all. I'm about to risk my life to give him my bag, but you know what? I think he finna do it soon. So thank you. Bye for real. All right, time to get inside. It is too hot for this. Let's get inside. I'm pretty sure the game already done started, but it's whatever. I don't know what's going on anyway. So.
Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. See, trying to find my way back is all you need. Trying to find my way back to my knees. Now I'm trying to find my way back to for me.
It did not go as expected, as planned, but it's whatever. We tried. I went ahead and called my reinforcements and I tried to get some food, and they was like, oh, we only take card. But my card is in my purse, and I just grabbed cash thinking, oh yeah, that's gonna be good. It wasn't, so that's why.
I'm yours, my feelings controlled, and I'm so sure that I am your boy. When your voice is mine, love lies for you, I will fight, 'cause
20 minutes later.
I was basically looking to see. I was looking at my ticket to see where I was at, and it was like 225 seat for row 4 seat 1, yada yada yada. So I'm like looking and looking. I'm like, all right, that's it. No, that's not it. That's not it. I see 225, and it was a whole VIP section, loft with food, and I'm like, my college done hooked it up. They done hooked it up. And then so I go to the person because they're checking tags to make sure you belong where you belong. So I'm like, I walk up here smiling ear to ear, and I show him my ticket. I'm like, where am I supposed to be? Looking at the loft like, I'm supposed to be right here. He says, walk down. Walk all the way down over there, and then take a left all the way where it says 4, and then you'll be the first seated. Y'all, I'm like, oh, thank you.
When I'm feeling down, you're the best company. And even when I'm going,
I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the light.
In 600 feet,
GPS be giving directions at the wrong time.
continue on I-75.
Yo, these songs be nasty. And it's like, was it always like this?
He's another freeway. Just me and my baby. In my bed. Just me and my car. No worries at all. Listening to the action.
These cars are driving reckless.
back, you are in front of me. Always straight loving me. Even though I might be losing, you're in love with me. Somehow you're never done with me. Even when I'm done with me, somehow you keep loving me. Am I what?